Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a update for those that are using Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer is a browser that has been around for a long time. Microsoft has said that they actually want you to stop using it. It is a old browser that you really need to choose or use something else. It is less and less compatible with a lot of websites, and actually that is something that Microsoft is slowly pushing you towards something else. Of course, depending on what you want to do, that something else can be something else than Edge, could be Google Chrome, but whatever. Microsoft has updated a list of websites that are now incompatible with Internet Explorer. The list contains 1,156 sites. And this actually includes many big websites, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, Yahoo Mail, and so many others. So these big names are actually telling you that if you go on Facebook with Internet Explorer, there are things that are not going to work right. It's incompatible with it because they have not updated the code and the way that the browser must behave with these websites. So it's important to know that it's really, really time to move on to something else. Now, one of the things that Microsoft is doing right now is that it's actually sending you, every time you go to a website that is not compatible, it will actually send you to, you better download or use Microsoft Edge browser now. It actually wants you to use the new Edge, which is the new version of the Microsoft Edge, not that old version before. So if you are in one of those situations, you should actually move on because the browser is less and less secure as it is also going forward. There are some security updates on it, but you really need to move to something else. It still has 5% of market share, roughly, which is surprising. And this probably has a lot more to do with enterprise using it than anything else. So you have the choice. You can, get Microsoft Edge. You can also get Google Chrome. Maybe that's the browser that you need. A lot of people are on Chrome. This is the dominant browser right now with, almost like 70% of people using this browser. So that could be what you want to use. It depends on what you actually do and what you like. It's your preference. I always say, because I get this question all the time, what's the best browser? The best browser is the one that you use, and that is up to date and secure. So it could be Google Chrome. It could be Microsoft Edge. It could be whatever else you want to use. But one thing for sure, you should stop using Internet Explorer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.